Winning the SEO Game, Part 4, How to Do Local SEO. SEO Factor Number 2. Backlinks. When a website links to your website, that is a backlink. Generally speaking, the more backlinks a page has, the more authoritative and trustworthy it is. Authoritative pages are shown higher in search results. When Google sees that a page has a lot of backlinks, it's a signal to them that a lot of people value the page and that the content on it is good. Pages with lots of backlinks tend to show up much higher in search results because they are more authoritative and trustworthy in the eyes of Google. The implication of all this is that if you want your pages to rank in search results, you'll want to get backlinks to those pages. So how do you do that? The starting place for getting backlinks is creating outstanding content on your website. Give others a good reason to link to your pages. Create valuable content that people actually want to link to. What makes content valuable? Great content always checks at least one of the following boxes. It covers a subject more thoroughly than other pieces. It's authoritative, facts, studies. It's easy to consume, easy to read, well designed. It's up to date. At its core, link building is all about finding strategic ways to promote your content. After all, if you want others to link to your content, they need to see it first. There are a number of effective ways to do promotion. Outreach guest post appear on podcasts, find broken links, find resource pages. Ultimately, most link building tactics boil down to the same thing: adding value to others. The more value you can add, whether by creating great content, guest posting, or finding broken links, the more likely people are to link back to your site. Stay tuned for the rest of the series on winning the SEO game and local SEO tips coming soon. If you like our videos and find them valuable, please follow us on our YouTube channel Digital Promotion New Braunfels and our website at digitalpromotionsnewbraunfels.com. Like and share the videos and subscribe to our channel.